Last 2 boxes of our tribute baseball case. How much are you wanting to spend? Tribute baseball, guys. Good luck. Got a Red Sox, no more. Garcia. National Treasures Baseball. That came out a while ago. Got no more for the Red Sox. Got Adam Wainwright for the Cardinals. And your first hit, box number 1, 275. Pittsburgh Pirates. You got Gregory Polanco. Gregory Polanco for Pirates. So I like Immaculate Football. Got Strasburg for the Nets. Got Jose Fernandez for the Marlins. Got a Hall of Famer, number to 50. You just say Hall of Famer, number to 50. Minnesota Twins, Rod Carew. Rod Carew. Rod Carew for the Minnesota Twins, number to 50. Polanco is to 75. Got a Red Sox, Dustin Pedroia. Base for the Red Sox, Dustin Pedroia. 2-colored patch, number to 25. Boston Red Sox, David Ortiz. David Ortiz for the Red Sox. So we just did Supreme Football. After this is Black and Gold Baseball. Okay, Supreme Football was first tonight. Dodgers, Jock Peterson. Got Royals, George Brett. George Brett for the Royals. And then you've got number 225. Number to 25 for the Seattle Mariners, Robinson Cano. Robinson Cano. Robinson Cano. Milwaukee Brewers, Robin Yount. Robin Yount for the Brewers. Robbie Cano, yes it was. Got a base for the Mets, Dave Wright. Dave Wright. Black and Gold is after this. Black and Gold is after Tribute. Pinstripe for the Detroit Tigers to 75, Miguel Cabrera. Miguel Cabrera. So it'll be on YouTube, probably 10:30ish, probably about an hour. Last pack. Box number 1. Ty Cobb. Ty Cobb for the Tigers. Got a number to 99, Mets, Tom Seaver. Tom Seaver for the Mets. M. Stone, which teams did you have? Got a Yankee 275 at Chase Heatley. Chase base Seeley for the Yankees. Say there was nothing for the, or there was a rookie, a base, Bishop Sankey. That was the only thing for the Titans, was a base Bishop Sankey rookie. I think it was the 162 or 144. Somewhere around there. Box number 2. Got Orioles, Nelson Cruz. Huh, I know. We hit a Kelvin Benjamin shield. That was pretty cool. Nelson Cruz for the Orioles. Got Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks. Oh, Goldschmidt for the Diamondbacks. Jumbo jersey, 199 for the Atlanta Braves. It was a bunch of wide receivers tonight. Got Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Freddie Freeman. So we had a Mike Evans auto patch. We had that Benjamin shield. We had an Odell Beckham auto. A couple Alshon Jeffrey autos. We had a booklet of Brandon Cooks and Samuel Watkins. So it was chock full of wide receivers. Got Nats, Bryce Harper for the Nationals. Got number 299 for the Boston Red Sox, Roger Clemens. Nice, it's pretty solid. This one's number 25. Doesn't have any smudges on it either. 25 for the Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw. Clayton Kershaw. Number 25. So ours have been probably about half of them look pretty good. The other half of them haven't. That one looks really good though. See, there ain't nothing wrong with that one. Kershaw to 25. Got Astros, George Springer. See, they look pretty good tonight. George Springer for the Astros. Got Brewers, Ryan Braun. Jumbo pinstriped to 199. Hopefully in the offseason you learn how to pitch this year. Verlander, Detroit Tigers. Justin Verlander for the Tigers. Yeah, I don't even think we've had an angel at all tonight, have we? Got Jose Altuve, Astros. Got Roger Clemens for the Red Sox. This one's pretty solid too. Number 2/189. Although this one's kind of got a little smudging. Chicago White Sox, Jose Abreu. Abreu to 189 for the White Sox. Jose Abreu. Yankees, Reggie Jackson. Number 250 for the Expos, going to the Nationals. Andre Dawson, number 250. Andre Dawson for the Expos, number 50. Got a pinstripe, number 2/199, David Wright. David Wright. David Wright. Last pack tribute baseball tonight. Then we got a couple of minutes, and then we'll move on to the black and gold. You've got A's, John Lester. John Lester for the A's. Got Robbie Cano, base for the Mariners. Next, you've got a decent auto. This one numbered to 50, Milwaukee Brewers. Milwaukee Brewers. Robin Yount, number 250. Robin Yount, number 250. Finishing your tribute baseball tonight. That was pretty solid tribute baseball. That's pretty good. Minus the no Angels.